Welcome to this month's edition of Try It Tuesday. I'm Mike Collins. I'm the pastor of Fellowship Baptist Church and a chamber ambassador. And I'm here with Justin Donaker. Justin's the manager of Engineered Truss Systems. And I just had the behind the scenes tour, so we're going to show you some of that. But Justin, tell us a little bit about your guys' history, what you guys do. I know a lot of our folks probably don't know about you, haven't met you yet, as far as what your business does. So tell us a little bit about that.
So Engineered Truss Systems was kind of brought together in 2000 with my dad, Dave Donaker, and a managing partner, John Chappell. And together we created Engineered Truss Systems. And so we manufacture roof and floor trusses, beams, and we design and go out to the job site and measure and things of that nature. So from 2000 to now, we've changed quite a bit over the history, right? My dad's got 40, 50 years of experience in this. I've got 24 years. My mom helps design and stuff like that, and she's got quite a few years involved in that too.
And so on this month's edition of Try It Tuesday, what we're going to do is go through the 3 steps that you as a customer, as a contractor, are going to go through to get your truss designed by Engineered Truss Systems. And so the first step in that is the design phase. So tell us a little bit about that briefly. What does it look like for a customer to get their truss designed by you guys?
So usually we'll get contacted by either the contractor, a homeowner, lumber yard, whatever the case may be, and we'll take a design from a concept of what's in their head or on paper, get it to paper, and then we can get it into CAD, 3D, and really kind of just tailor it to the customer needs, right? And it just helps set us apart from other people where they can come in and we can design and we can change and we can make it tailored to that customer's needs. So it's pretty awesome.
What's cool, what you were showing me earlier, is that in that design software, it spits out the exact measurements, and that sends us to the next phase, which is build. Right. So tell us a little bit about how you guys construct these things, what's unique about your shop back here, and some of the things you guys have going on back there.
We'll take that design from our computer, put it on a thumb drive, take it out to the shop, pop it in the computer, and then all my guys got to do is hit a button and it'll automatically do the dimensioning and the angle. And so he sees what board he needs, he grabs the board, puts it down, pulls the saw blade, and as soon as it goes back and retracts, it goes to the next angle and the next dimension. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. And then we have a 4-bladed or a 5-bladed saw, and that's what does our webs and stuff like that. So it could do single cut, 2-cut, 3-cut, or a quad cut all at one time, and that can cut 2x4 through 2x12, 18 inches to 20 foot as fast as he can feed that saw. Because the last thing we want is something to take extra time. Right. I mean, the cost of material and people's time these days is big, and so if we can minimize any of that at all, it's a good cost savings.
So walk us a little bit through not only that, but kind of some of your delivery times, other machinery you got back there.
Before we deliver that product and we do all that, we'll go out and hand measure the concrete, make sure everything matches up with the print, because we all know everybody's not perfect. I'm not perfect, and we all make mistakes. So we'll go out and double check that, and that way there's no problems from that point on, and we can get a good product out to the customer and they get taken care of. But typically once it sits here and we get to a job site, from design phase to delivery, I mean, we could be, depending on the size of the project and things like that, we could be a week to 3 to 4 weeks, just depending on when it hits and what all we're doing at that project.
And so, Justin, tell us a little bit, if someone's interested in finding out more about your business, how can they get in contact with you, learn more about what you guys do?
Yeah, so our phone number is 620-276-6999. You can check us out on Facebook, or on my Google business page. And the My Google business page, we've got some videos and some photos and some things of that nature, and a little bit more about our business and things. And same with Facebook, and we'll continuously put new projects out there and ideas, and that way you get kind of an idea book going, and you can go out there and get some really awesome photos of ideas that maybe you want to do to your house.
Yeah. I mean, you guys have been in this business a long time. There's probably a lot of houses, a lot of commercial projects, not just in Garden City, but I mean, as far as Nebraska and New Mexico, that you guys have had a part in. And so there's a lot of credibility there and a lot of trust. And there's nothing like being able to go with someone local to help you out on a project. And so
Local's big.
Exactly. We believe that here with the Chamber of Commerce, obviously. Well, thanks for letting us come and tour the shop. It was really awesome, really informative. I knew nothing about roof trusses until I met you, and so it was pretty awesome to see kind of the behind the scenes.
That was great having you.
Yeah, awesome. And if you want to learn more about engineered truss systems, come see Justin. He'll take good care of you. That's pretty obvious, even talking with him, that they care a lot about their customers. And so we'll see you next month on Try It Tuesday. We'll see you next time.